Making Nigerian bread is so easy when you know your ingredients and their accurate measurement. Welcome back to my channel. For 250 grams of flour or 2 cups of Nigerian flour, you need 50 grams of butter, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 medium-sized egg, milk or water, 150 ml, yeast, 1 to 1.5 tablespoons, and salt, half teaspoon of salt. You can skip your milk and egg. It's not compulsory. You can just use water, knead your dough very well, use very active yeast, and your bread will be fine. Now, if you are using 500 grams of flour, you need 100 grams of butter, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 large size egg, milk or water 300 ml, and yeast 2 to 3 tablespoons of yeast. That is what you need for 500 grams of flour. 500 grams is the same thing as 4 cups of Nigerian flour. If you are not in Nigeria, you are in the UK or any other country, please weigh your flour to make sure that it is 500 grams because your flour may weigh differently from Nigerian flour. Now, if you are going for 1 kg of flour, you need 200 grams of butter, sugar, half cup, egg, 2 large size, milk or water, 600 ml, yeast, 3 to 4 tablespoons, salt, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Now, it's not a must that you must use the quantity of yeast I'm giving you. I'm just giving you a range. Make sure you use a very active yeast. And if your yeast is very active, use the lower border. You do not need too much yeast in your bread because it will affect the taste. So use the lower border if your yeast is very active and you will be fine. For 2 kg of flour, you need 400 grams of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 4 large size egg, milk or water, 1200 ml or 1.2 liter, yeast, 5 tablespoons of yeast, and salt, 3 teaspoons of salt. Now, when you buy your butter, check the label if it is salted. If it is salted, skip your salt. If it is unsalted, then go on and add in your salt. I don't know if these measuring tips have been on help. If it has, do like, share, and subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.